Hello babies, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's another vlog, and if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, and I love you so much. So today is the day after the strike. It's over, and decided that it's time to get up from whatever that I'm doing, my lazy ass. And first off, I prayed. Yes, I got up pretty early. It's still dark though. I had to, and right now, trying to wash my clothes and getting 20 naira. Oh my god, I was kind of high when I touched it, but it was 20 naira. That was it. Even other pockets are doing 1,000. Mine is doing 20 naira. Very bad. That's it. That this day was my brother's birthday. I was actually really hyped. I was feeling like I'm celebrating with him. I don't know why, but I was. Then I asked my brother to get me my phone so that I will wish him and post for him and call him. But he did not give me location. That boy, he did not give me location. I had to just wish him and then call him to, all of that, and that's it. Continue with my church.
So tired of making me take a night, predicting it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess I see what's change. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season.
I'm done washing my clothes, and what's the time? 8:54. I want to go and make breakfast. I don't know if anyone knows this. Yes, pap. We are drinking pap every Saturday, so we are used to eat custard and pap. So yes. God, let me go and prepare breakfast, and I'll be back with my food. You know, go anywhere. The food is clear. Clear my plate, like.
I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when I get so tired of making me take a night, predicting it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you
I'm back. I'm already
don't need your feedback.
half dressed.
It makes sense, don't know I play pretend.
Half dressed. Maybe my visitor is about to come. I cannot reject that. Come on, Yoruba. Take a screenshot. are done. The last of the last. Oh God. Oh God. We are done and ready to step out. One more thing left. The bag I'm supposed to go repair. Yeah, repair though. So I remove the clothes inside of it and we move onto the next. See my outfit. See the stuff. See what do I think? The bag. The bag. See my daddy, my beer. Are you seeing this baby on my neck? So fine, and oh my God. From our stuff. Check us out on IG, stacey'scloset.ng, and go get yours. Go get yours. What are you waiting for? Go get yours. Is that cheap? Okay. Okay, and that's it. Hey babies, it's a girl back here, and today is the night before I go for the wedding. So yeah, it's packing time. I don't want to pack early in the morning. I know I will not have the strength, so I'll do as much as I can this night. It's not that it's much, I'm saying do as much as I can. Oh gosh, how am I looking? My skin is not skinny no more. I don't know if you noticed, but yeah, right. See this whole, I don't know what's all this. I don't know. So yes, what I will packing now is the clothes because I don't want to forget shit. So I'm packing the clothes that I'll be needing, stuffs. Then in the morning I can pack cream, my sponge. I don't want to forget anything, Jesus. So yeah, that's it. So let's go. Back with me. So guys, this is the bag where everything will be entering because I'm not carrying much, please. It's just this. I'm sorry that it's kind of scattered. This is it. I'm packing my shoes. Then the slippers I wear because I'm not gonna wear shoes all through. Then the clothes and whatever that is going on here. Then this one is for tomorrow. I'll be wearing it tomorrow to be going, and yeah, this is just a few things. Then tomorrow we can pack the toiletry. I said toiletry. Let's just do that. I'll pack my soap, my cream, my sponge, and all of that. Yes. So let's dig in. It's no biggie. We can do that, right? Yeah, we can. Okay. I changed my packing outfit because I was hot, okay? Lakers. Yeah. Lakers, baby.
I guess you're tired of making me take a night, but taking is all that I'll do, cause I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess the seasons change.
Give a damn about a hater when I feel like it. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm trying to get paid. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm trying to get paid.
For 27 years, I ain't going for 28. Been seeing you niggas flexing and finessing the shit. You know I ain't never ate. Been seeing you shining, all that designer. You ain't get your little bro plate. That's how I know you fake, bitch. That's how I know you fake. Get it straight.
Give a damn about a hater when I feel like it. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm trying to get paid. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm trying to get paid.
For 27 years, I ain't going for 28. Been seeing you niggas flexing and finessing the shit. You know I ain't never ate. Been seeing you shining, all that designer. You ain't get your little bro plate. That's how I know you fake, bitch. That's how I know you fake. Get it straight.
Give a damn about a hater when I feel like it.
So mini packing done. Cause I'm not gonna do much. So yeah, we're done. Let me go ahead and watch my movies and relax. Maybe eat. I don't know if I'm gonna eat this night. I've eaten food. Jesus, see my face. Oh God. God help me. Amen. Yes, and that is it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So guys, this is the next day. I'm about to go. nnennaannachi. So I'm about to go and my bag's already packed. I'm done.
Hold up, this is about lightning. But anyways, so
yes, so that's
from here
so
I'm already at the venue for the bridal shower and everything. Sorry, this is about lightning, but still gonna manage it. Showing the bridal train. My friend, this is my friend, my girlfriend. Some were sleeping. I don't know why. They were not part of the nightwear gang, so she's showing herself, and yes, bridal train continuation.
For 27 years, I ain't going for 28. Been seeing you niggas flexing and finessing the shit. You know I ain't never ate. Been seeing you shining, all that designer. You ain't get your little bro plate. That's how I know you fake, bitch. That's how I know you fake. Get it straight.
I was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take it for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move, when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move, and I move, when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I guess you're tired.
Is that pretty girl now? Oh my goodness. Like this day I was tired because I didn't sleep early, but still sitting pretty. My pictures. I couldn't do more of vlogging while in church or while the wedding was going on, so this is the trad. Because he didn't do everything on time. This is the trad. This is when the bride was dancing. I wasn't among these people, so I had to like video their asses, and that is it. So after this day, I was tired. So after this day, the next day, I came back to my humble abode. Okay. Alright then, see you guys. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button and join the family. Like this video. Thank you.